Let's go.
I have made known to you everything that I have heard from my Father. I have revealed to you everything that I have learned from him.
I have revealed everything to you that I've learned from him.
16.
Meaning I hide anything because love I know my secret. I will never pray for people to receive what is in me. Let's go.
You have not.
You give it to them knowing that tomorrow they will turn their backs. You help them, you give them money knowing that tomorrow they are going to turn your back. Knowing that they are going to betray you. Tomorrow they will call you Satan. Tomorrow they will go to other fathers, but you still give them that money, you still help them. The issue is the abiding process. It will expose who is who. Eternity dwells in eternity. In the beginning there was the Word, and the Word was God. Eternity to eternity. Eternity to? That will help you not to be hurt by people. Ngoba you know the future. You know it's nabazozenza before bazenza. Nabazenza ulimala. You just go. Push up. Aye, but when this, aye, push up. Bengazi. Aye, but uthi aye, bengazi, don't worry. It can't touch my heart. I knew they would do it. Let's go.
16. You have not chosen me, but I have chosen you.
We are born a much. The issue is because you think you are the one who chose him. He's the one who chose you. Jeremiah chapter 3, I will give you, you will not give yourself spiritual support. Let's go.
And I have appointed you. I have planted you that you might go and bear fruit.
I have done planted. So God has planted eternal life in our hearts. Jesus says, I've planted you. Who's Makelwan? Are you planted? He says, I've planted you.
I have planted you that you might go and bear fruit.
Go and bear fruits. I planted you to go and bear fruits.
And keep on bearing.
And keep on bearing. Yeah.
And that your fruit may be lasting, that it may remain, abide, so that whatever you ask the Father in my name, as presenting all that I am, he may.
That's presenting all that I am. All that I am, meaning presenting me as eternal life. I am eternal. Nidlule kuzo zonke izinto mara ekugcineni ningiveze that I'm an eternal God. Repeat.
I have planted you.
I've planted you.
That you might go and bear fruit.
That you might go. Someday go. Not to bear fruit, but to be cut off. On the day of the Last Supper, Jesus took bread, he dipped it into wine, and he put it to Judas. And he said, go and do what you are supposed to do. So he was not going to be fruitful. He went to be cut off. But bekathunyiwe now. But athunyelwe wenza ukuyonqunywa. Without me, you can do nothing. I am the true vine. You can be doing something yet you are doing nothing. You are working as a sinner. Because it says God has given hard work to sinners. Hayi ukuthi awukho umsebenzi enzima. Uba nzima. Mara komunye ube lula mara kube nzima because you are a sinner. Uthola ukuthi nenza same job. Lo munye awulula wakhe uyamproduce. The 1,000 ayiholayo uyaqhubeka empilweni mara wena uyindawo because of what? There's no fruit. There's no fruit. So you are waking, after waking uNkulunkulu afika. Omunye sebenza uNkulunkulu aprune athela kakhulu. Yiba namo, multiply, be fruitful, multiply. Omunye. Then you see, these dreams are telling me that I'm going down now. The dreams that I'm dreaming now, it's like I'm being cut off now. What's the issue with your heart? God has planted something in you. And it says many people can't even see the beginning and the end. But if your eyes or your heart maintains eternity, you can look at people and tell the future. No moment against the you already saw it that it will happen. I don't win a peace. Why uzubhlungu? It's because you didn't expect. With eternal life, you will know they will do it. Nabagenza yo. Sharp. Sharp. I know. Ula uNkulunkulu akisa khona, kumele uyenze lento. Isikhathi sakho sifikile. Into ekumele uyenze, angikwazi ukustop. Isikhathi sakho senzeni? Sifikile. You know, sometimes if we can share some scary things, personal scary things, you can be shocked. How God can come to you and show you things and prepare you that this is going to happen. But take it. Don't lose my weight. Don't lose my weight. Keep my weight. Above everything, keep my weight. And I will also keep you. Now, when that situation comes, when the time of pain, the time of crying and mourning comes, you are not mourning to lose yourself. You are not crying to lose yourself. You are crying just because it's time, but you are kept. After crying for a long time, God still keeping you. Meaning you are not flushed away by your own tears. Let's go.
That your fruit may be lasting, that it may remain, abide. So that
even your fruit must also remain and abide.
So that whatever you ask the Father in my name, as presenting all that I am.
So when you ask, you must also present what He is. Eternal life is to know you. Don't pray without presenting what? Eternal life. The way ungakhona manje bongasiso 10 years ago. And you hear some people at sengikhulile ingqondo yami seyipop up. Do you know if you keep the weight? Nengqondo ayihambi nomnyaka. Meditating upon the weight, you can be very old but still reason better than a 16-year-old child. Lengqondo affectwa iminyaka because now nazo. It means the more ukhula ucabanga njengabogogo njengabomkhulu kusuka lezi izulu kaNkulunkulu aligugi. Then manje what do you say? Hayi ngathi sengogogo yiwo ngikhuluma so. Hey, keep the weight. Whatever you speak will be fresh. It will be fresh. Definitely. No more reasoning. Your reasoning will izozwakala clearly. Finish. Let's finish.
As presenting all that I am, He may give it to you.
Now He can give it to you. Uthandaze uNkulunkulu. Now the book of James says, "Nano man thandaza niyaqela, but ngicela ukuyomosha." Angicela ukwenza khazimulisa uNkulunkulu. You can be under the impression of coming to church. The man of God laying hands on you. You can receive whatever you receive, but are you abiding? You'll end up coming to him as somebody consulting a sangoma, not a person who's going to the vine to be pruned, so that you can. You'll end up being a consultant instead of being a friend of God. There's no consultation in friendship. Friendship has no you consult what you don't know. That's why you can insult it later. Psalms chapter 1. Say, I love you, Jesus. You know why I love teaching the word so much? And it's kind of said, kuba uNkulunkulu asearch inhliziyo zawo wonke umuntu ukuthi wena uzeleni wena ufunani laba abahlalayo yilaba aba-abhidayo because bafuna ukuthela laba aba-irritated, you must know branches that must be cut off. Read from verse 1.
Psalms chapter 1 verse 1 in NLT. Oh, the joys of those who do not follow the advice of the wicked or stand around with sinners.
They don't follow the advice of the wicked. They know what to embrace and not what to embrace. Let's go.
Or stand around with sinners, or join in with mockers.
Join in with mockers.
But they delight in the law of the Lord, meditating on it day and night.
Thank you. So, you embrace into embrace.
They are like trees planted along the river bank, bearing fruit each season.
Bearing fruits each, meaning in winter, honestly. Just honestly. Just no, honestly. Each season. Because abadipendanga kuphi emvuleni. Laba khona basemanzini bona straight. Bakuphi? Phakathi kwamanzi bayathela.